Hello, everyone, and welcome to Canonical's Data and AI Masters. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Gloria Quintanilla. I lead communications at Canonical, and I'll be your host for the event. Our two-day event brings you expert insights on the latest developments in artificial intelligence and data management at scale. We have a great speaker lineup in store for you, including product managers, engineers, and business leaders from companies like Ampere, Dell, Google, Intel, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and of course, Canonical. You'll also hear from leaders who are behind new open source projects in the data space, like Valkey. Let's quickly cover some housekeeping details. If you're joining us using Ring Central, please ask your questions at any time using the Q&A panel on the right-hand side. Our team will be available to answer your questions and may follow up with you by email if we can't answer all of them throughout the day. Please note that you can also build your custom agenda for the event, spanning both days, today and tomorrow, by adding sessions to your calendar and configuring notifications if you want to be notified when a session starts. For today, we have two tracks, an AI track and a data track. Without further ado, let me set the stage for today's sessions and for the AI track specifically. If you've joined us here today, then it's very likely that you're trying to stand up a new AI project in your organization or looking to scale up an existing initiative. But we all know that taking projects to production is incredibly hard. In fact, some studies out there report that up to 87% of AI projects never actually make it to production. And take generative AI, for example. A 2024 report by Deloitte estimates that only 18 to 36% of organizations are actually seeing the benefits of their Gen AI projects. The question of how to get started can be daunting. From defining your use case to choosing a stack to develop and train your models on. There are many options out there, and we could easily argue that tool sprawl and environment sprawl are some accurate ways to describe the amalgamation and fragmentation of components that are available for AI models. Most of the technology that's behind this AI innovation is open source, but organizations struggle with various aspects, including tool integrations and package dependencies. The machine learning lifecycle in itself adds an extra layer of complexity because of the different stages involved, from data ingestion to creating a feature store, model training, or model deployment. Then there's the matter of security, which is top of mind, that 53% of organizations using AI consider cybersecurity to be the highest risk they need to mitigate, followed by regulatory compliance. There are now approximately 100 cross-border data flow regulations, and security specialists are in high demand, with more than 3.5 million job openings worldwide. At Canonical, we have 20 years of experience securing and supporting open source. You know us as the company behind Ubuntu. For the past 20 years, we have worked to make free software accessible to the widest possible audience through Ubuntu. Our mission is to amplify the impact of open source by making it secure, reliable, and available to all for use at scale. We do this through our close collaboration with open source communities. And this community ethos is something we hold very dear to our heart. Some of the projects we contribute to in the data and AI space include OpenSearch, which you'll hear more about today. Let me say a few words about our product portfolio. Most of our customers and users start their journey on Ubuntu, which is the world's most widely distributed Linux on the cloud. With up to 12 years of long-term support, Ubuntu gives you a reliable platform for innovation on any cloud, public, private, or bare metal. If you want to orchestrate bare metal servers like a cloud, you can do it very efficiently with MAS, a hardware automation solution that it helps you provision servers at speed. If you're building a private cloud, you can use our virtualization solutions, such as MicroCloud for low-touch, highly automated clouds, and Canonical OpenStack for large-scale data center operations. You can set up software-defined storage with our Ceph distribution, and if you're looking to build containerized applications, you can rely on our secure container offering and manage your containers using our supported Kubernetes distributions. At the heart of our portfolio is Juju, an open source orchestration engine that enables you to deploy, integrate, and operate applications in a low-ops way on any infrastructure with a seamless admin experience across Kubernetes and VMs. Building on Juju's lifecycle management capabilities, we have developed a portfolio of multi-cloud data and AI solutions in our distributions for Kafka, Spark, OpenSearch, Postgres, and Kubeflow, among others. And we provide security, support, and compliance features for our entire portfolio through a simple subscription, Ubuntu Pro. Enterprises can also work with us to get fully managed offerings in the cloud of their choice or their data center. As you can see, our portfolio covers a wide range of open source enablers. To deliver on the latest innovations in open source, we also work very closely with partners across the technology spectrum, from silicon vendors to public clouds. During the AI track, we will cover how Canonical's multi-cloud data and AI solutions and MLOps portfolio can help you build, train, and deploy your models and scale your use of AI securely with open source, coupled with AI-optimized hardware and software solutions from across our partner ecosystem. We will cover a range of topics and helpful sessions that may help you solve some of the toughest challenges that you're facing today. The topics include getting started with data science on Ubuntu with 3 commands, and securing your AI workloads with confidential computing, among many others. We hope you enjoyed today's sessions, and we look forward to hearing your questions and your feedback. Let's get started.